Hey guys, welcome back, and today I do have this 2019 Kia Soul, and when I did test the battery, it has only 10% state of health. Let's go ahead and replace that one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here is the new battery and the part numbers right here. Before installing this battery, I would like to go ahead and clean this terminal using just the hot water and my paintbrush. Let's go do it. Alright guys, so my final step will be checking the radio station. Before I disconnect the battery, I got a note here. Oops, it's upside down. There we go. Let's see if this audio unit has its own memory saving device. Well, we'll find out. It is now like 10 a.m. Nope. Well, it's 12 a.m. it says, but it looks like the radio is correct. Number 4 is 104.7, and I got 104.7 on my note. So all I have to do now is adjust the time. It is 10 a.m. There you go. All right. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.